Chapter 7. Simple machines. Students could learn about the different types of simple machines, their functions, and how they make work easier. Simple machines are tools that are used to make work easier. They work by either changing the direction of a force or by multiplying the force applied to an object. There are 6 types of simple machines. Lever. A lever is a bar that pivots on a fulcrum. It is used to lift heavy objects with less force. Examples of levers include a seesaw, a crowbar, and a pair of pliers. Wheel and axle. A wheel and axle is a simple machine that consists of a wheel attached to a rod or axle. It is used to move heavy loads with less force. Examples of wheel and axle machines include a car's steering wheel, a doorknob, and a bicycle wheel. Pulley. A pulley is a simple machine that consists of a wheel with a grooved rim and a rope or cable that runs over it. It is used to lift heavy objects with less force. Examples of pulleys include a flagpole, a crane, and a clothesline. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a flat surface that is sloped. It is used to move heavy objects up or down with less force. Examples of inclined planes include a ramp, a staircase, and a slide. Wedge. A wedge is a simple machine that is used to split or lift objects. It is made up of 2 inclined planes placed back to back. Examples of wedges include a knife, an axe, and a doorstop. Screw. A screw is a simple machine that is used to hold objects together or to lift objects. It is made up of an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder or cone. Examples of screws include a bolt, a nut, and a corkscrew. Simple machines make work easier by reducing the amount of force required to move an object. For example, using a pulley to lift a heavy object requires less force than lifting the object directly. Understanding the different types of simple machines can help us to design more efficient tools and machines, and can also help us to better understand the mechanics of everyday objects.